Okay, so let's talk about how to extract feature parameters from your Creo models to an Excel table. And to just kind of show what I'm talking about here relative to feature parameters, if you go and select a particular feature, um, and I've chosen weld features in this case because they have quite a few parameters associated with them that are either set by Creo or can be modified externally or manually. So in this particular case, we're going to actually just come in and say param get, and there is a table feature option for getting parameters. It's going to look at the active model, but you could, of course, wildcard this. And in this particular case, we have two features that have a name of weld in them. So I'm going to put in a wildcard, WELD. And the parameter names, we can be specific about this. So if there's specific parameters we're interested in, like for example, intermittent, and we're going to write that to this table here. We could also be a little bit more specific about this and say, we're also interested in, let's see, what else do we have in here? Let's do num of welds. Num of welds. So this is just a quick way to kind of capture that data to an Excel table, and then we can use this information for various things. Like, for example, if we had a specific set of things that we needed to know about the type of weld to be able to kind of do a cost estimation on how much would it cost to actually put these welds into a design. Another nice feature you can do with this also, I'm going to comment these two records out here, and I'm just going to make a copy of this, bring this down. We're going to uncomment that. We can also just do a wildcard on the parameters that we want to extract. So if we wanted to extract every feature parameter from each of those features, um, this is a very quick way to kind of get it. Then, of course, you could subfilter this by name or value or whatever using Power Query to perform other operations with it.